We're back again on the How To channel with some more videos. Now I'm showing you how to change fonts and languages on the keyboard for iPhone. Simply go to a message, okay, and what you want to do is hold down the World app. What that's going to do is bring up all these settings. Now you can change where the keyboard is, and the reason you'd want to do this is sometimes you're doing it with one hand. If you're on the right hand, put it to the right. If you're texting with the left hand, put it to the left. So that's a really nice, neat trick. Now, if you want to change the language, you want to hold down that World button and go straight to the top where it says keyboard settings. At the keyboard settings, it's super easy. You just simply add new keyboard and pick the language you want. Okay, this is really good if you're translating or if you're stuck in another country or if you just really want to knowledge yourself by learning a different language. So simply click the language you want to choose and start writing, and you'll see that you now speak Chinese or Cantonese, whatever the language is that you've chosen, you now speak. Super easy, guys, all right? One thing I will say is please be careful when choosing an app from the App Store for your font. Yes, you can change your font. So go to the App Store, type in fonts, choose an app that you want, but make sure you look at it, okay? You don't want in-game purchases and stuff like that. Choose a font that's really good, okay, and free, and connect it to your keyboard. Simply type in font into your settings and scroll all the way down to keyboards, and then just turn it on. Guys, now you have a new font and a new language. Super easy. Like and follow for more how-to videos.